Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be updating your Apple TV, so let's get started. Down here below you're going to see your settings. Under your settings, not your very last option, but your second last option will say system. Go right into system. Once you're there, you're going to see your third option where it's going to say system software updates. And your first option will say update software. Once we click on update software, we're going to see this, the latest Apple TV OS 15.2. We can go ahead and download and install. That's all you have to do. From there, it's just gonna restart and we're gonna be done with the update. How long will this take? Well, it does depend on your internet speed, but generally speaking, it should not take more than 30 minutes for most of you with slower internet speeds. And for others, this could just take a couple minutes to seconds. It really does depend. After we see the Apple logo and a loading bar load twice, we're gonna be done with the update. Everything's just gonna load back in just like it was before. And that would be it for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.